Today I'm going to upgrade 4Runner reverse light or backup light. I got these lights from Amazon, company called Camelator. The size of the light is T15, but I found that is actually universal. Also, Oxito also is a Amazon very famous brand. They also make these backup lights. I'm also right now I'm using actually LED, but I found that from time to time those T15 light bulb it loses its throw, it uses its power. So this is a very unique type of LED, very small size. It can easily fit on your reverse light. So I will show you. It's have a good comments on Amazon. So this is the box it came, and the box is very small, and everything you need inside. Actually you don't need anything, but this actually no accessory you require. But so you can see these LED bulbs come with LED and some rubber washers. So the size of this LED are very small. I thought it's like gonna be the headlight bulb, but these are very small. Easily you can see here in my hand. And nicely built, quality is top notch, no doubt. It's just plug and play and no reverse, like you just open and plug and play. So you can see on 4Runner on the back there's a small spot where you can put your pry tool or screwdriver. Just pull it and this cover will pop up very easily. The second one underneath, you can turn it anti-clockwise. I was using this one. It works fine. It is brighter than the 4Runner bulb, but actually it's not that brighter like this one. So it's very simple. If you see this is a round shape, you can just push it in. So, and make sure when you push it in, if you are confident that it's inside, so you have to make it vertically. So that's the technique. I'll show you in a second. So just push it in and clockwise or anti-clockwise rotate it. Try to rotate and make sure it's going inside. It's very hard to put it in because the rubber is fighting back with you. So I tried and tried and tried. Finally I was able to push it in by rotating this LED. So if you see here, now it's not going anywhere. Now it's inside. So here you go. So just make sure that you have to make sure the diodes on the both side, left and right, should be vertical. And because the housing of this reverse bulb is actually reflectors designed like that. So I will show you in a second again. So yeah, so this is actually I tried on the driver's side and then I tried on the passenger side, and here you go, it's all good. So just close the cover as you opened it and you will good to go. So here's the diagram. So you have to put it like this. It's easily visible, but from camera I can't because of the reflectors. For some reason the 4Runner housing is very small, and so this is before. See, it's bright, and see the reflectors. This is a before picture, and when I installed it, in a second you will see this is the after. It is bright. My camera was fighting. And for some reason, I don't know why 4Runner put it such a worse backup housing, backup bulb housing. So this the only bad thing about here that I'm getting a reflection of the housing, and that's a dead spot. But actually it was showing over here when I practically tried. It's actually not that bad, but the light throw is very good. Also on my car inside on the LCD screen, it's actually, I can see the difference very clearly. It get warm up within 1 minute. I touched it and it get warm up 1 minute, but actually you're not using it for hour or 5 minutes or 10. You just reverse and that's it. So it's very bright. Please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.